Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to disable to show quote posts on Blue Sky. Guys, you can do it easily by following these steps. First, open Blue Sky. Then you can see 3 vertical lines. At top left corner, click on it. Then click on Settings option. At down, you can see there are many options. Click on Content and Media. Then you can see their following feed. Preferences option, click on it. Then you can see their show cards. Also option of this option. Finally guys, in this way you can easily disable that option on Blue Sky.